Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to lesson number 11 of Learn How to Read the Quran. Now, we've covered all the letters in the Arabic language. Now, the only thing that's left is applying these letters to the Quran. And inshallah, we're going to start learning that from now. And we're going to be adding a few extra rules which apply specifically to the text that is found in the Quran. So you probably recognize some of these letters, and if you can't remember them, go back to the previous videos, watch them again, learn the letters again. So we're going to apply some vowels onto these then. So we've got some fathas, and now try and pronounce them before I pronounce them. So here we have al-hamdu. Say it with me. Al-hamdu. Okay, now we're going to be joining the letters together. Not all letters join together. So the a will not join with the l. So the letters that join together are as follows. And so al-hamdu is actually written in the Quran like so. Okay, it's written like this, and it has the vowels on top. So again, exactly the same pronunciation. Al-hamdu. Say it with me. Al-hamdu. Okay, so now in the Quran it looks like this. Now you can see me writing over it, so you can distinguish the letters. Al-hamdu. This is Surah Al-Fatiha. Al-hamdu. Right, let's have a go at another one then. So again, writing some letters, and try and have a go yourselves at pronouncing these letters, and the best advice I can give is try and pronounce them with a loud voice, and the louder the better, the quicker you learn, inshallah. So okay, so try pronouncing these then. So ra, the fatha, ra, and then hi, the hi with the ya sukun. So rahimi, rahimi, rahimi. Pronounce it with me. Rahimi. Now let's join these letters together, the ones that we can join together. So it kind of looks a bit like this, and the ya has two dots underneath to recognize it. Okay, rahimi, rahimi. Now in the Quran, when it's written, it's actually written like this. So rahimi. And you can have a go at trying to write these words or letters yourself as well. Rahimi. So pronounce it with me. Rahimi. Rahimi. Now let's have a go in the Quran then. So in the Quran you can see this word here. Rahimi. Okay, rahimi. Rahimi. Okay, so that's another example. Let's look at a third example then. So again here, these letters, try and identify them. Write them down if you want. It's a good way of memorizing it as well. Okay, let's put some vowels onto these letters then. So we have fatha, sukun, and a kasra. So try pronouncing this then. Yawmi, yawmi, yawmi. Again, when we join it together, it's gonna appear a bit like this. So yawmi. And in the Quran, it's written like this. You'll find it like this. Yawmi. Yawmi. So pronounce it with me. Yawmi. Okay, so let's look in the Quran and try and find where this is written. So there it is. Yawmi. Yawmi. Okay, yawmi. So pronounce it with me. Yawmi. Yawmi. Okay, so let's have the fourth and last example then. So again, try and write these letters if you want, pronounce them, and let's add some vowels onto it. So fatha and sukoon, and dhamma, the dhamma onto both of these. Right, so pronounce it then. Na'budu, na'budu. So let's join these letters together. So this is joined as follows, as you can see. So na'budu. So the bu has a dot underneath. You can see there's a dot. Na'budu. And in the Quran, it's actually written like this. Na'budu. 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 So pronounce it with me. Na'budu. Right, let's look in the Quran then. So here, na'budu. Na'budu. Pronounce it with me. Na'budu. So alhamdulillah, try practicing that again and again, inshallah. And as I said, if you have any problems with any of the letters, go back to the previous lessons and try going over them again. If you have any questions, any suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Jazakumullah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.